buongiorno. È arrivato?
La però bellissima.
Sì.
Ancora no.
Ah,
Stasera sempre scarica Bartolini, dalle 6:30, 6:15 a salire.
a posto.
Bro, but you know I gotta keep her close. I'll be a Lex and I keep her close. Living life on the edge, on the tightrope. I am so clean, I might stomach. Try the new Rari, I don't need to know. Try the Bugatti like it's a bubble. I had your girl and you already know. Don't really like her, we friends for the most. Shoot in the truck, all on my chill. Don't leave a crumb, got the bread in your toast. If you start touching my gun, got no host. I put a coat on the top of my coat. Only 20 minutes before the show. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Niggas, you want me cause I got the dope. Pass that girl right on my friend, give it go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. Yeah, damn, I just started it. Man, I just started it. Oh my God, please do not bother me. Don't got enough just to order me. I'm on that tree like an ottoman. Money so long like a cardigan. You lied to me, wasn't sorry then. On the weekend you was partying. It was you, me, it was targeting. It was you, me, it was targeting. Jump in the Porsche, my target. Jump in the Lamb, I ain't parking it. Ice is so cold, I snowboarding it. Go to my show, they applaud me in. She called my phone with emergency. She called my phone with that urgency. I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still falling. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that color DeLorean.
Da questa strada. Devo mettere storia catena se tiene scritto. Devo fare questa operazione alla catena. mica incazzato! Fra, è un pilota! Allora non ti dico, oddio, non lo so, non si capisce.